Hi Year 10s, in this video we're looking at increasing and decreasing by a percentage, and when we're doing this what we need to think about is how do we write that in such a way that when we work out its increase it sort of does it automatically. And the way that we do that is by thinking about how we would find 18% of 450. So to find 18% of 450 you would go 450 times 0.18, which is 18% as a decimal. But the thing is, if we're increasing it, we want to actually have a number that's bigger than 450. And so what we do is we just write 1 and then the percentage, so 1.18, and then we put that into our calculator. And so that gives us 450 times 1.18, which is 531. So that gives us 531 cm. Now a longer way to do it would be to go 450 times 0.18, and that gives us 81, and then add that to 450. It gives us the same answer of 531, but we've had to do 2 lines of working, whereas here we do 1 line of working. So 450 times 1 gives us 450, and then 450 times 0.18 gives us the extra bit, and then they combine together to give us this figure of 531. So that's just a really quick way to do percentage increases. So in the second example, we're asked to reduce something by 20%, and so what we're doing is we're taking the amount, 14,000 hectares, and instead of timesing it by 1.20, we're going to take 0.20 away from 1. So we're going to times it by 0.8. So in other words, what we're saying is if we're reducing it by 20%, then we're going to be left with 80%. That's in effect what we're working out. And so we put that into our calculator, 14,000 times 0.8, and that gives us 11,200. Okay, so in summary, when you're increasing, it's going to be 1 plus the percentage, and when you're decreasing, it's going to be 1 minus the percentage. Okay, and if you can remember that, you'll find these increasing and decreasing questions really easy. So have a go at exercise 4.07, please.